you, Mr. N.K. Ramchandran, Chairman of Bahrain Indian School, Directors, Principal, School Management, Teachers, my dear students, Namaskar. It's always a pleasure to join an school function. In fact, I have been fortunate since I have come here. I have got opportunity to attend quite a few of them, though or virtually in these circumstances. Uh, I would very much like to attend the physical functions and meet all of you. And I hope that this year will be much better for all of us. And perhaps as we go into this year, we may be doing some of these physical events and giving opportunity to meet all of you. Annual awards are a culmination of the joint hard work put in by students, teachers, parents alike, and it's always delightful to be part of celebrations related to children's progress and achievements. I would like to congratulate those children who have received award today. In fact, I have seen a very impressive annual report where a lot of students have excelled in different fields, including academics, extracurricular, and a lot of different variety of areas. And that brings me to say that I would also like to commend all the children also for their efforts, sense of competition and participation in positive spirits, as that is equally important. You may not have won the award today, but this is not the only competition. You will have to face a number of competitions, real life issues in future. I'm sure you all will excel in that. Let's also give a round of applause for the wonderful cultural performance which has been put up by the children, and I'm sure there are few more lined up which I will miss, but I will definitely watch it if it is available online later on. These performances actually have brought India alive in this performance. Bahrain Indian School is a legacy of Bharati Vidya Bhavan, a premier institution founded in 1938 by Dr. K.M. Munshi. Bhavans, as the institution is commonly called, has over 400 schools in India and abroad, including in countries such as US, UK, Singapore, Australia, South Africa, and in the Middle East region. I'm proud to hear I'm proud and very, very impressed to hear the successes achieved by students of Bahrain Indian School in various competition in the regional, in the national level, even at the international level. In the quiz competition, maths, I saw at the Olympiads. So I would like to congratulate the children and teachers for this success. And also for the school, the entire teaching faculty as well as the management for that. From its beginning in 2014, Bahrain, the school has come a long way. The school has from this year expanded to the senior secondary level. My best wishes to the principal, school management, teachers, and students for that also. Friends, last year has been quite challenging for all of us. The world has witnessed the major crisis of COVID-19 pandemic. I am very happy to note that our Indian schools rose to the challenges presented by this unprecedented crisis and has been able to continue education process through virtual means in a seamless manner. The Kingdom of Bahrain is successfully dealing with the pandemic. The government of Bahrain provided necessary support and facilitation to our community, including schools, in overcoming challenges during these difficult times, for which I would like to thank the leadership and the government of Kingdom of Bahrain. As you all are aware, the civilizational and historic ties between our two countries, based on people to people connect, since ancient times have now diversified into a number of areas reflecting the contemporary times. I firmly believe that education is one sector which has great potential for further bilateral cooperation as well as in establishing brand India in Bahrain. It is a matter of great pride for all of us that Indian schools have made a positive and qualitative impact in Bahrain's educational landscape. Dear students, in the present challenging times of COVID pandemic, the significance of wholesome education has grown exponentially. Academic excellence should go hand in hand with best hygiene practices and wholesome information on nutrition. Challenging times and situations require innovative solutions, and young children should be encouraged to share their novel ideas about education solutions, good healthcare practices, etc. History shows that mankind has faced trials of different types and has overcome with solutions as per changing times. With challenges comes perseverance and gumption. Similarly, with hardship comes resilience and resolve. You have proved this in these difficult times. You have converted challenges into opportunity. I am so happy and delighted to see your continued enthusiasm and hard work, quickly learning new technologies and digital means of study, at the same time observing hygiene and following COVID-19 protocols. I am sure that normalcy will return soon and you will be able to enjoy studies and extracurricular activities in school along with your friends. I would like to once again congratulate the Bahrain Indian School for organizing this annual award function and keeping the continuity in academic curriculum in the present time. Thank you.